Mechanical Engineering. My topic is Basics of Quantum Communication. Basics of Quantum Communication, unlocking the futures of secure networks. Why quantum communication matters today? Classical limitations, quantum promise. In classical limitation, traditional communication systems are reaching their limits in speed, security, and efficiency. Cyber threats are evolving faster than classical encryption can handle. In quantum promise, quantum communications offers ultra secure, faster data exchange for 6G networks and beyond, eliminating the fundamental laws of quantum mechanics. Quantum bits, the heart of quantum communication. In classical bits, traditional computing uses bits that exist in one of two states, 0 or 1 simple but limited. In quantum superposition, qubits can exist as 0, 1, or both simultaneously until measured a phenomenon called superposition. Information advantage. This enables encoding basically more information and unlocks entirely new communication methods impossible with classical systems. Quantum entanglements, smoothly action at a distance, creating entanglements. Two qubits become intrinsically linked through a quantum interaction. Instant correlation, measuring one qubit instantly influences the other regardless of the distance separating them. Secure communication. This phenomenon enables correlances critical for quantum security protocols. Quantum key distribution, the gold standard of security. In 1984, PV84 protocol, Charles Bennett and Gilles Bessard developed the QKD method that revolutionized cryptography. Lab testing, extensive laboratory trials validated the theoretical principles and practical implementation. In 2017, Micro satellite China demonstrated satellite to ground QKD providing quantum security workspace. Commercial trials, banks and government begin deploying QKD for ultra secure communications. Quantum teleportation transferring quantum states. Quantum teleportation transfers the state of a qubit from one location to another without physically moving the particle itself. The original qubit's information vanishes and reveals at the destination. Why it matters? Essential for building future quantum network under the quantum interest. Enables quantum repeats to extend communication range. First demonstrated experimentally in 1997 by Andrew Scheme. Quantum communication versus classical communication. Futures, information limit, security, data transmission, speed, potential, infrastructure. In classical communication, information limit has bits 0 or 1. Quantum communication has qubits 0, 1 or superposition. In security, vulnerable to hacking. In quantum communication, events drop and detectable. In classical communication, limited by classical physics. In quantum communication, experts quantum phenomena. In classical communication, approaching physical limits. In quantum communication, leverages entanglement correlations. In classical communications, nature and widespread. In quantum communication, emerging and experimental. Decoherence problem. Maintaining qubit coherence over long distances remains experimentally difficult. Environmental noise quickly destroys delicate quantum states, limiting transmission range. Technology gaps, quantum repeaters and error correction protocols are still under development. Current solutions are not yet scalable for commercial deployment. Infrastructure goodness. Building quantum network requires specialized equipment and cryogenic system integration with existing classical network poses significant engineering challenges and costs remaining probability high. Future prospects towards a quantum internet. India's quantum mission. India has launched an ambitious quantum satellite program and is investing in fiber optic quantum network to establish leadership in this field 2030 target year. Global collaboration. International efforts are building quantum satellite links and ground. Fiction to reality quantum communication has translated from theoretical switch to working prototypes and commercial trials worldwide. Unprecedented security promises cryptographic security guaranteed by the laws of physics, impossible to break without detection. India's quantum future, which is strategic investment or challenger researchers